Did everybody get the offers?
I received them.
I did not. I got to check.
I'm gonna start letting them in.
Okay, Miss Attorney Harris, this is the prosecutor, Dia Mason. Can you send me over the offers, please? That Ms. Horn sent you?
I will.
Thank you.
Jerica, could you send them to me also?
Oh, yeah.
Good morning to you.
I will.
What's your name, sir?
Last name, Brown.
Brown?
Yes.
What's your first name?
Dwayne.
Good morning.
Good morning. Yes. I'm sorry, I didn't see you.
Hold up.
You have Zoom, sir?
I don't know how to do it. That's what came.
You have the Zoom app.
Give them the sign advice, right? Good morning to you, Mr. Brown. Good morning to you.
Oh, good morning.
Are you on the phone?
No, I'm saying good morning.
All right, I'll get you, as soon as you get set up, I'll get you out of here. All right, good morning, everyone. All right, Officer Wilson is on you.
Not there, stand up.
Good morning.
Good morning.
The Honorable Judge Sean B. Perkins is presiding. While court is in session, there will be no driving, no inappropriate appearance of any kind, no head wraps unless they represent religious purpose, no hoodies, no white tees, no eating, drinking, smoking, or sleeping, no talking while the judge is talking. Please take heed to the instructions. Court is in session. Good morning, Judge.
Good morning.
All right, good morning.
Not here, back here.
All right, good morning, everyone. What I'm gonna do the best I can to get you out as fast and efficiently as possible. And I'm gonna get you out, or try to get you out in the order that you came in. There is an order. I know everybody pretty much signed in around the same time, but the system does take the order. With that being said, one person, Aaron Ali. Buenos dias, necesitas interpreter for anyone.
Buenos días, Adrián.
Adrian Flores, necesitas interpreter.
Sí, Adrián Carrión Flores.
Un momento. Yes,
Yes, we do need one.
we need the probation officer for Aaron Ali.
Okay, all right.
Enter your meeting ID.
All right, this is the city of Detroit. This is Tyler Grant. Oh, we need to, sorry, we need to turn the system on.
Oh, okay. Oh, no, we-
So all you're doing is go in the hallway, and you're just waiting for someone to come on the phone. No, it's not speaking.
Did you give him a sign advice range?
Yes, yes, and it's manager on.
Very well. Turn this recorder system on.
It's idolizing.
I got you. for Ms. Grant, probably Mr. Berry usually goes first. Is a no insurance misdemeanor and expired plate on the dock, but it's more than meets the eye. It's, it's a,
Good morning, sir.
no insurance misdemeanor, another expired plate.
Okay, my name is-
Disregarding traffic control device and a defective or missing equipment. 6 cases. All right, let's go call the city of Detroit versus Tyler Brianna Grant, case number SP 1785555, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP 1785561, SP 1786991, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Grant.
Tyler Grant.
Okay, today is the date and time set for a pretrial on one of the cases. The other cases are an arraignment. We'll arraign her on those cases now, treat it like a one-stop shop, Ms. Grant, so you don't have these multiple different court dates. For the purposes of arraignment, Councilman?
Your Honor, we would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
And will enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf and give your client a $0 bond. Did you get that? So one of them, so aside from the ones that are on the docket, it's 4 other cases: no insurance misdemeanor, defective equipment, expired plate, and a disregard of traffic control device. Ms. Grant, Mr. Berry is going to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. When you get the prompt, join the breakout room, have a conversation with them, and you let us know what you want to do when you come out, okay?
Your Honor, this is the prosecutor on those offers. The only thing on the extras, I will dismiss all 1 to 5 on the disregard traffic device.
Okay, that's the offer, 1 to 5 on the traffic control device, everything else dismissed, Mr. Berry.
Thank you.
Ms. All right, let's pass that matter. Let's call the city of Detroit versus Dwayne Graham, case number SP 1788921, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 1788971. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning,
Hello.
Your Honor. Good morning to the staff. Cherica Harris, P 72832, on behalf of the defendant. Please state your name.
Dwayne Graham.
All right, good morning to you, Mr. Graham. Today is the date and time set for a arraignment. Purposes of arraignment, counsel.
Purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
Enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. We'll give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Graham will put you in a breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's going to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. Let us know what you do when you come out. Just pass the matter.
Hold on Zoom. Hold on. I'm in court right now on Zoom.
All right, please mute your devices, please.
Speaking of who? Talk to them.
Victoria Glenn. Victoria Glenn.
Yes, Your Honor, I'm here.
Yeah, good afternoon. Good morning, ma'am. You're here for, what are you here for?
Don't I have a court date today?
I don't see any. Victoria Lorraine Glenn.
Yes.
I don't see anything open for you. If you have a case number, I may be able to help you a little better.
I don't have a case number.
Well, I don't see anything open for you, ma'am.
I thought you told me I had court today.
Okay, well, I don't know what I told you. I'm telling you now, I don't see anything open for you. If you have a case number.
So I can leave. I'm not gonna be in trouble.
No, I told you, if you have a case number, I can help you, but I don't see anything open for you.
I don't have a case number. I thought you had said I had court on the 29th, I mean the 28th.
Okay. Well, I don't see anything.
Okay.
All right. Happy birthday to you. Well,
thank you.
All right.
All right, bye.
On the Motorola Moto G, can you unmute yourself, start your camera, and state your name, please?
Martin Greason.
I'll take your hat off, Mr. Greason. I've already spoken to you. On the Motorola Moto G, what's your name, sir? The gentleman, he was here. What is his name? Mr.
Oh, the gentleman that came in, he is Freddie Gamino.
Does he need an interpreter?
No.
Did you give him his vice versa?
Oh, no, let me give him his vice versa. He's on Zoom.
Freddie what?
Gamino, Gamino.
Pastor Johnson, good morning to you.
Good morning, Judge. Megan LaBelle.
Megan LaBelle?
Yes, sir.
Hello?
Ready?
Okay.
You get a chance. This bottom right hand portion, this is name, address, and telephone.
I don't see LaBelle on the docket.
Okay, I can double check the ROA.
Say Megan LaBelle?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I see it.
Okay.
I don't see Miss LaBelle here.
I'll give her a call.
Okay.
Thank you.
All right, let's go back on the record with Ms. Grant. Ms. Grant, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client will avail herself of the people's offer to enter the plea to limited access 1 to 5. The remaining matters to be dismissed.
You want to take the deal now?
Yes.
Stipulate to the face of the ticket on behalf of your client as an accurate factual basis for that responsible plea, counsel.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other members.
Yes, Your Honor. So stipulated.
With those stipulations, I'm going to find your client responsible for the amended count of limited access 1 to 5 $125. Ms. Grant, when can you pay it?
If you give me 2 seconds, I just want to look at my calendar real quick. By the, I want to give myself just enough time. So is it possible I could do like the middle of November?
November the 13th, is that good enough?
Yes.
November the 21st?
The 20, hold on, let me see. Yes, that's fine. The 21st is fine.
Okay, at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit, I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone, or you come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it, ma'am. If it's nothing further, have a very good day and best of luck to you.
Okay, thank you.
Mr. Berry, this is the city of Detroit versus Martin Greason. Case number SP 178-4252, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Howard S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Greason.
Martin Greason.
Okay, good morning to you, sir. Today is the date and time set for a show call. Mr. Berry, purposes of the rank.
My client would stand mute.
Enter a not guilty plea on his behalf, give him a $0 bond. Mr. Berry, go to the breakout room with Mr. Greason and give him an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, Mr. Greason, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room, let us know what you come. Pass the matter. Ms. Harris.
Just wondering if I could speak with the city attorney in room 4.
Ms. Mason, can you go to room?
Yeah, I'll go to room 4.
Thank you.
You can go to room 4 as well, Mr. Johnson.
Good morning, Carmen. How are you?
I'm wonderful. How you doing? You got a nice smile this morning. You feeling okay?
I'm trying. Yeah, but you said.
I'm trying, but we doing good. We got smiles on our
Good,
face.
good, good.
I'll call Jamaica later. Y'all have a good day. We don't have to cancel them. Have to give you a different day. Okay, just to let you know. So I work on one day this week, okay? All right, thank you. Okay, you're welcome. Have a good day. You too. Your lipstick is pretty.
That's that Mac thing, man.
Well, I have on lipstick.
We all know what that is.
You don't know what that is? Yeah.
We're gonna need some Spanish up there. So.
I'm making some copies of that.
It's on the lunch show.
Okay.
You got that new box?
Yeah,
I know last time he said that they have to fill out both. Okay. So he's got the
I just don't have it.
Good morning, Judge.
Morning, Officer Coleman.
Really quickly, I'm not really sure how this typically works. So I do have court with you at 9:01, but I have in-person court with Judge Patricia Jefferson. So I have to drive to get to court, and I know I'm not supposed to be on Zoom driving.
All right, you checked in, just come back as soon as you get to your location.
Okay.
Thank you.
All right, no problem. All righty, bye-bye.
Oh, 220, who was that supposed to go to 220? Who did I say needs to go to 220? I don't remember who that was. De Jesus. De Jesus, they're going.
By scooter.
Hey, Judge, while this is the prosecutor, can I get an SOS, please?
Absolutely. Who's that for?
Thank you.
It's Dwayne Graham. I want to know if he has a CDL.
Dwayne Graham.
We're going to kind of do an offer, drop the brand from our weapons. You know, he is eligible for this, for the third sentence as well. I'm surprised that he doesn't have money.
And iPhone. Can you unmute yourself, start your camera, state your name, please? Full name. Andrew's iPhone.
Abdurrahman Omar.
Abdurrahman Omar. Good morning to you.
Good morning, sir.
Trial. No CDL for Graham.
And we are
I'm
ready
sorry, Your
to
Honor. What did you
proceed.
say?
No CDL for Graham.
Okay, great. Attorney Harris, that's a 1 to 5 limited access on Graham.
Thank you. And we're ready, Your Honor. I didn't know if you wanted him to come back into the courtroom or not.
Yeah, he's ready. Yeah, if you're ready.
So I believe he's in the hallway on his phone. I didn't know.
Come on in.
I'll get it.
not Ghana, Graham.
I am.
No, Graham.
Both the odds.
All right, come on and talk.
Yeah.
Okay, Mr. Graham, you can put the phone down. Come on, step up to the micro, well, you can step up to the podium here. Microphone is at the podium now.
Okay, so right there in the middle, sir.
Mr., let's go back on the record with Mr. Graham, Ms. Harris. You talked to Mr. Graham, you talked to the attorney. What's your client want to do? Ms. Harris?
My client admit responsibility to the amended count of limited access 1 to 5 over, with the 2 remaining matters dismissed.
You want to take the deal, sir, or limited access 1 to 5?
Yes.
That is a 0-point offense, but it does abstract to the Secretary of State. $125. You want to take that deal?
Yes, I do.
All right, I'll stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis. For that responsible plea on your client's behalf, Counselor.
So stipulated, Your Honor, and we stipulate to probable cause for the dismissal.
All right, with that, I'm going to find your client responsible for the amended count of limited access 1 to 5, $125. When can you pay it, Mr. Brown?
Can I get at least 3 weeks? I'm on disability, so I don't get a check. Next check to next month. So.
I'll give you, till December the 1st, 2025, pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I told you, you can upload the DivDat app to your phone, or you can come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. If there's nothing further, Mr. Brown, have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
All right, thank you.
Thank you. Yes, sir. City of Detroit versus Jamal James Tahaj Owens. Case number SP 177-25741. Appearance for the record, please.
Sherika Harris, on behalf of Mr. Owens, please state your name for the record.
I'm here, Jamel Owens.
Sir, Jamel Owens, good morning to you, sir. Today is date and time set for a pre-trial. Mr. Owens owes a few civil infractions that have been in the fall, but he's been paying on them. This case is just a no insurance misdemeanor, Ms. Harris. I'll put you in the breakout room with Mr. Owens. Mr. Owens, I'll put you in the breakout room with Ms. Harris. He's gonna get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to withdraw. Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out.
Judge, what are the charges with that gentleman, the defendant?
No insurance misdemeanor.
And so, it's the same old.
Who was the defendant? I'm sorry.
Jamel Owens.
Okay. Judge, prosecutor's leaving for a moment. I'll be right back.
Ms. Harris has a question.
Oh, no, it was for you, Your Honor. Mr. Owens indicates that he did email a copy of the insurance to you last night.
Last night?
Is that correct, Mr. Owens?
Yes, ma'am.
What emails did you send it from, Mr. Owens?
James T. Owens 88 at gmail.com.
Okay.
James T. Owens, I didn't get it.
Yes.
No, I didn't get it. I didn't get an email from you.
All right. Mr. Owens, rejoin the breakout room so I can tell you how to attach it in the chat.
Okay.
You can rejoin the room, is automatically open, sir. All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Greason. Mr. Greason, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client has shown valid insurance and registration. We seek dismissal based on a valid document.
All right, Mr. Greason, we'll dismiss the case. We'll provide valid documentation. If there's nothing further, have a very good day and best of luck to you.
Thank you so much, Your Honor.
You're welcome.
Bye-bye.
Trey versus Freddie Domino, case number SP 177-34271. Here for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr., on behalf of the defendant, state your full name, sir.
Freddie Domino, can you unmute yourself, please?
Hello? What you say?
State your name for the record, sir. Good morning to you.
Right. I'll let you hear you.
State your name, please.
My name is Freddie Gamino.
All right. So today is the date and time set for a show cause, Mr. Berry, for the purposes of arraignment.
Yes, Your Honor, my client would stand mute.
Well, if they're not guilty, plea on your client's behalf, we'll give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Lee, Mr. Gamino, I'm gonna put you in the breakout room. Mr. Berry, he's gonna get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room, please. Let's pass the matter. This is no insurance misdemeanor. I believe you joined. He's in there, Mr. Berry. All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Owens. Mr. Owens, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, we are requesting a dismissal as he was able to present insurance that covered that time, the date of the offense.
All right, I'm gonna dismiss the case, Mr. Owens. There's nothing further. Have a very good day and best of luck to you. Case dismissed, Mr. Owens.
Thank you so much.
Walter Leonard.
Here, Your Honor.
All right, this is, good morning to you. This is the city of Detroit versus Walter Teron Leonard. Case number SP 1121577, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 115640, counts 1 and counts 2 and counts 3. SP 115747, counts 1, 2. SP 1542561. Count 1, 2, and 3. SP 1783853, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearing for the record, please.
Erica Harris, on behalf of the defendant, please state your name.
Walter Leonard.
All right, there's a lot of cases in warrant status, Ms. Harris.
Ready? Well, for purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute. Respectfully request that the warrants be recalled.
Enter a not guilty plea on his behalf will give him a $0 bond. Do you need me to read them off to you?
Yes, Your Honor. I only see 2 on the docket.
All right, here we go. Driver's license expired. No insurance misdemeanor. Disregard an officer's signal. No ops. An improper plate. A no insurance misdemeanor. An unregistered untitled. An expired driver's license. An unregistered untitled. No ops. And a no insurance misdemeanor. And I see a $336 no insurance proof on an old civil infraction that potentially has affected his ability to get a
Unless you're
license.
responsible for your getting sick or dying or something.
All right, Ms. Mason.
I'll give him 3 improper plates, Judge. The rest dismissed on the extras.
Yeah. I don't want that on there.
3 improper plates. Ms. Harris is the offer. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room, Mr. Leonard.
Put that on there.
Join the room, have a conversation with Ms. Harris. If you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room.
Yeah. I just,
Mhm.
by any chance, was an attorney requested on the ones that are on the on the one case that's on the docket?
Oh, no attorney was requested.
Okay, thank you.
Pass them out. Let's go back on the record, Mr. Gamino. Mr. Gamino, giving you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client has shown valid insurance, and we seek dismissal.
Our case dismissed. Provide valid documentation. If nothing further, have a very good day and best of luck to you. Mr. Gamino, you're free to leave. Case dismissed. Your Lucia Leon Gutierrez, necesitas interpreter?
No.
You don't need an interpreter, ma'am?
I would be interpreting for her.
No, you won't. I have to get a court-appointed interpreter for her.
Que ocupa, que le va a conseguir una intérprete. Dile que tú me puedes traer. ¿Qué dijo, perdón? Oh.
All right, I've already ordered that interpreter, so, sit tight. It's Aaron Ali. Do we have something on Aaron Ali, a file?
No, I didn't have a file. It's an older probation case.
Can you get probation down here?
Let me see. Probation.
Teresa Green.
Yes, I'm here.
Good morning. What is your middle name, ma'am?
Olivia. And then also I have a quick question for you if you don't mind.
What is your question?
So I do have valid insurance, valid tax plates, and all of this stuff.
Speak to Mr. Berry about that, okay? If it's something to do with these charges, see if you can help you out first, okay?
Okay.
City of Detroit versus Teresa Olivia Green, case number SP 1632568, counts 1 and counts 2, 36 counts 1 and counts 2, SP 1695898, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 1782862, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP 179375001, 204938621. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Green.
Teresa Olivia Green.
For purposes of arraignment, Your Honor, my client would stand mute.
All right, enter not guilty, please. $0 bond. Ms. Green,
We scheduled for court.
license is suspended. All right, I counted 10 cases into the, counted 11 cases into the record. I only see 10 on the docket. I guess that would be that in the park after dark ticket. That that would be the extra ticket that we need to address. Mr. Berry, give Mr. Green an updated offer. Keep in mind, Mr. Green, if you do not like the offer, you'll have an absolute right to a trial. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry. You let us know what you want to do when you come out, okay?
I'm sorry,
Yes, sir.
Judge. What are the charges on the screen? Sorry.
It's one, everything that's on the docket, plus and in the park after dark.
Okay, I'm dismissing the park after dark. Got that, Barry? In the park after dark, dismiss on Green.
I guess the other offer, either what you have there, should have everything else there, Mr. Berry, but if not, let us know. Ms. Green, I'll put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry, have a conversation with him. You let us know what you want to do when you come out. Join the
Yes,
room,
sir.
pass the matter. Mr. Gamino?
Yes,
You're
sir.
free to- You're free to leave, sir. Your case is dismissed.
Somebody to Zoom in.
Come on in the courtroom.
Okay.
Good morning, Your Honor. This is Officer Nelson. I'm here on
Lee is here. Mr. Malafont needs to come back and he checked in, but he wants another courtroom. Attorney Ali.
Good morning, Judge.
Morning. Who, do you have Omar?
Yeah, Mr. Omar, 9 a.m. trial.
All right, the officer is here. Officer Jet Sands. Morning to you.
Yes, Your Honor. Officer Signs here.
Signs. Okay, I'm gonna put Mr. Omar in breakout room 5. Is he an interpreter?
No, Your Honor.
I'm gonna put Mr. Omar in breakout room 5. You'll have the ability to, you go to room 4 with the city attorney and have a conversation with him. Sorry. And then I have Mr. Malafont here as well. If you go into room 4 and check in. Ms. Lee,
Yes, Your Honor.
I'm gonna put you in room 6. Your attorney's here. He's gonna come see you when he works things out, okay? Ms. Mason, if you can go to 4. Oh, you're on Long Street, not Lee?
Long Street.
Oh. Okay, so that's not Lee.
She's under 9 o'clock, Judge.
Yeah, I know. I thought it was Lee. Long.
Did you have an officer check in for that, Judge?
I don't know if I have. Maybe I got it mixed up. That is Desiree. Yeah.
Do we happen to, did Ms. Longstreet check in for us?
Yes, she's here.
Very good. I do have, Judge, I presume, Judge, I have, what, till 10 or 9:30?
No, he's here, the officer's here.
Oh, very good.
So everyone's.
Okay, perfect. So then all we need to do is I just need to talk to Ms. Mason.
Right.
Not a problem.
Are you going in there to talk to her?
Yes, I need
Tell her
to
to try and break out room 4. They're waiting on her to.
Done and done.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
And good morning. Oh, she's in.
Good morning, Your Honor. This is Officer Nelson again. Sorry to bother you. I have to check into room 340.
I haven't checked in, Officer Nelson. Who you have?
Well,
Oh, Stephen Lee is here. Okay, so come back. Come back. And as a matter of fact, he's up, so come back as soon as you can.
Will do, sir.
Excuse me, Your Honor. This is Officer Sines. Was I supposed to be joining a breakout room?
Not yet. We'll see what, if you want to speak with the city attorney of Rockford, if you have something, I'm sure she'll make an offer, but if you want to speak with her about the offer, I can put you in breakout.
Yes, Your Honor. If you actually could, that'd be great.
That was on Omar?
That is correct, Your Honor.
Ms. Mason, can you go to 1 and speak with the officers, please? Are we ready on Omar?
Yes, Judge, it's going to be a plea.
All right, he's speaking. Let me give him a chance to speak with Ms. Mason, officer. Who is the officer on that? Science?
Yes.
Yeah, he wanted to speak with the city. I don't know what is whether he wants to talk to her about the offer or not.
Sure.
Seems like he's a lot now. City of Detroit versus Abdel Omar, case number SP 1749987, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance of the record, please.
Good morning to you and your staff, Your Honor. Muhammad Ali Hamoud, P86140, on behalf of Mr. Omar. Mr. Omar, please tell the court your full name.
Abdurrahman Omar.
Your Honor, this is the date and time set for trial. Had an opportunity to discuss with the city attorney. At this time, my client would like to enter a plea. He would be pleading as charged to the unlawful possession. The prosecutor would be willing to offer a delayed sentence for 3 months. The registration and plates would be dismissed. And then the accident ticket, Your Honor, will be amended to speeding 1 to 5.
Just 1 to 5, no limited access.
I believe it's just regular speeding 1 to 5, not the limited access.
All right. You want to take the deal, Mr. Omar?
Yes, Your Honor.
Can you raise your right hand, please? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, you can put your hand down. Do you understand that the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, one of your other advice or rights in the breakout room did not.
Yes.
Explain to him that this still happening. Inspector still come out, but Inspector King is saying that
A lot of background noise. I think that's you, Mr. Ali. You understood those rights he went over with you?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you have any questions about those rights?
No, Your Honor.
Do you know by taking the deal, you're gonna give those rights up?
Yes, Your Honor.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No, Your Honor.
Let me get your attention back to June 30th, 25, at around around 8:46 p.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Livernois and Michigan Avenue. Did you have an
Yes, Your
occasional encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes, Your Honor.
Were you in possession of these cans of nitrous oxide?
Yes, Your Honor.
And you were driving this vehicle and had an accident?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Court is satisfied. Are you satisfied, counsel?
Defense is satisfied, Your Honor.
Very well. All right, find you guilty as charged to the possession of nitrous oxide. $240 is gonna be that fine, and find you, responsible for the amended count of 1 to 5, $125 is gonna be that fine. So just stipulate the proper cause, will dismiss the other matter.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
All right, the review is gonna be January 29th, 2026 at 8:25. You pay that at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone, or you can come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. You don't get in any trouble like this again, and you have that paid, then we'll dismiss the case, okay?
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, there's nothing
Thank you to
further.
your staff, Your Honor.
Have a very good day. Best of luck to you both.
You too, Your Honor. Thank you.
Let's go back on the record. Oh, nobody's foot. Okay. Well, we're gonna wait on the lawyer. Jasmine
Mason.
Z.
Oh.
You got Ms. Mason, Mr. Malachi. You want to go
Yeah, I
back?
was just hoping if she's there, if she could join me in a breakout room, I'd appreciate it.
Go to 4, please.
Okay. Yep, will do.
Jasmine Z. Jamie Z.
Hello,
Good morning to you, ma'am. What is your full name?
Jamie Zach, Officer Zach.
Officer Zach. Okay. No Spanish interpreter yet? Myers and Wood. First. I got close the doors too. And people still. Yeah, you already know. On the telephone at 586 gone. They just closed my son's team down. Everybody. What? And then it's over with.
Everybody?
The season was done. They're not gonna do that.
I'm not gonna bring him back either?
No, it's just the team is gone.
Oh, they got rid of the team.
Yeah.
Wow. Is he booked?
He just sent me the text. I haven't got the chance to talk.
Hopefully you can just get a deal with somebody else.
I'm sure it will. They have a lot of new things this year.
Some folks are gone.
We'll be using that kind of thing.
Oh, I was sorting this down before.
Give me a notepad. I already figured it out.
Yeah, go check.
Good time.
I think that you might have
These days, slow. Slow. Tienes intruder?
Are we ready on Long Street?
We are, Your Honor, yes.
All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Desiree Renee Longstreet, case number SP 1695991, counts 1 and counts 2, appearance for the record, please.
And good morning, Your Honor. Tim Malphite, P 72339, on behalf of Ms. Longstreet. Ms. Longstreet, please unmute yourself, turn on your video, and state your name for the record.
You talk to him?
Ms. Longstreet, got to unmute and turn on your video, please. What happened to Ms. Longstreet? Now I don't see her, Judge. Oh, heavens. Well, hopefully she will come back. In the meantime, I'll chat something to the prosecutor, but as soon as she comes back, Judge, we should be ready. Oh, there she is.
What was the, let's go.
It's going to be a dismissal, Your Honor.
I'm here.
Ms. Longstreet, start your camera, state your name for the record, please.
Desiree Longstreet.
All right, good morning to you. You said it's gonna be a dismissal, Mr. Malcolm?
That is accurate, yes, Your Honor.
Officer Dothar was here. Is he here now?
I do not know, Your Honor.
I don't think so. All right, case dismissed per city attorney. There's nothing further, Ms. Longstreet. Have a very good day and best of luck to you.
Thank you, Your
thank
Honor. We
you.
stipulate to probable cause in the dismissals.
Thank you so much. Very smart.
Could I see Miss Mason in 4, please?
Ms. Mason. I don't know if she's there or not. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Leonard. Mr. Leonard, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, there is a recommendation wherein my client could enter a plea to the amended count of failing to display along with 3 additional counts of improper plates. My client is inclined to take advantage of that offer. I would ask if the improper plate matters could be taken as a no contest due to lack of recollection.
Okay, what was the offer? 3 counts of improper plate and what?
1 count of failing to display a valid license.
All right, and the improper plates ticket, I don't think the city is gonna have any objection to it, but did you mention that to the city?
I did not. I can go back into room 4 and have that conversation.
If she's in there, just mention that and see if she has any objections, please.
Okay. We're ready, Your Honor.
All right, let's go. We're back on record. Mr. Leonard, do you want to take the deal?
Yes.
Can you raise your right hand, please? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
Ms. Harris went over your other advice and rights in the breakout room, did she not?
Yes.
And you understood those rights?
Yes.
You have any questions about those rights?
No.
You know by taking the deal, you're gonna give those rights up?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
Let me draw your attention back to September the 1st, 2025, around 12:54 a.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Jefferson and Iroquois. Did you have an occasion on that day to come in contact with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes.
Were you operating a motor vehicle? Or
Yes.
the officer asked you to produce a valid driver's license?
Yes.
You couldn't do so, could you?
No, sir.
And why is that?
It's suspended, sir.
Very well. Find your client guilty of the amended count of failure to display. And as for the no contest pleas, why don't we just take it for 2 counts of improper plates and 1 count of allowing for the SP 154256113 tickets. They're unregistered, untitled, no ops, and no insurance misdemeanor. Any objection to that?
No, sir.
Allowing is the same effect as an improper plate. Stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for that no contest plea on those misdemeanors, Ms. Harris.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matters.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
All right, I'm gonna find you a matter no contest plea for the amended count of improper plate for SP 1542561, count 1, count 2, allowing no contest plea amended from driver no ops, and count 3 improper plate no contest plea amended from the no insurance misdemeanor. I'll cut you a break on 2 of them. I'm only gonna find you 240 and 240. I'll waive the warrant fees. You'll pay any reinstatement fees. When can you pay?
You think I can get into the beginning of the year?
No, I'm gonna give you 30 days to figure it out. January 1st, 2025, you're paying at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone, or you can come on down to the courthouse and pay in person. And I'll mark the file allow payment plan. You can come down to the courthouse before January 1st, get into the payment plan, or on January first, get into the payment plan. And let us know, you have to come back on January first, and I can see one of those two things been done. If you don't have anything further, at 8:25 on January first, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. All right, Ms. Green, Denise Green, can you press *6 to unmute yourself, please? *6 to unmute yourself. Ms. Harris, this is the City of Detroit versus Denise Green, case number SD 170-194-1, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Erica Harris, on behalf of Ms. Green, please state your name for the record.
Denise LaSalle Green.
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
I'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Your client a $0 bond. This morning to you, Ms. Green. Ms. Green has on the other cases that aren't on the docket for some reason, it is an unregistered, untitled, and no insurance misdemeanor that went along with this driving license suspended. Ms. Green also owes $286. She's paid some money toward that. Looks like $50 toward the 336 no insurance proof that she's had in the past, and then she owes another $292.80 on an old driving license suspended. That's not having an effective license. Ms. Green, Ms. Harris is going to put you in a break. I'm going to put you in a breakout room, and Ms. Harris is going to try to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, you don't like, you have an absolute right to a trial. I'm entering a not guilty plea and giving her a $0 bond.
Okay.
She's going to be in the room. She's in there, pass the matter. Let's go back on the record with Ms. Green, Ms. Teresa Green. Ms. Green, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client would avail herself of the people's offer to enter a plea to 2 counts of improper plates from among the no insurance charges, and the remaining matters to be dismissed.
Well, you want to take the deal, ma'am?
Yes, sir.
Can you raise your right hand, please? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes, sir.
You can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes, sir.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Berry went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did he not? Did Mr. Berry go over your advice or rights?
Oh, yes. I'm sorry. Yes, I was listening to you.
So you understood those rights?
Yes.
You have any questions about those rights?
Not at all.
You know, by taking the deal, you're going to give those rights up?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No, sir.
Let me draw your attention back to August the 30th, 2025, around 11:27 a.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Greenfield and West McNichols. Did you have an occasion on that day to come in encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
You said 6 Mile and West McNichols?
Greenfield and West McNichols on August 30th, 2025, at 11:25. They say you were operating a 2014 Ford.
Oh, yes. Yes, I do remember. I do.
Is that your Ford that you were operating?
Yes.
All right, and did the officer ask you to produce valid driver's license and valid insurance and registration?
Yes, he did.
You couldn't do either, could you, ma'am?
No, I was currently moving because I was in a homeless state. So I was currently moving from an old address back to my parents' house, unfortunately. But yes.
Are you stable on your housing now?
I'm back in my parents' house and I have 5 children. So yeah, we're working on it. And I'm in nursing school, so yeah.
If you need somebody to help you with some housing, I can get someone in here. That's the reason why I asked.
Yeah, I would appreciate that more than you know. Any little thing helps, especially with 5 boys.
All right, so let's get Mr. Patel in here then. Let me pass these matters.
Yes.
Well, let's finish this. You did not have the insurance and registration, is that correct?
No, I did not at the time. No, I did not.
You admit to driving the vehicle, right?
Yes.
What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pass it momentarily and see if you can speak with Mr. Patel. And maybe his services may be able to help you. It won't cost you anything, and especially won't cost you anything to have a conversation. All
I
right?
appreciate that.
Absolutely. Just pass the matter. Okay, Odom, Alande Odom.
Yes.
Good morning to you, sir. This is the city of Detroit versus Alande Odom, case number SP 177-27171. Appearance for the record, please, Mr. Barry. Mr. Barry? I think he's muted.
Sorry, Your Honor, I was muted. Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Odom.
Londe Odom.
All right, good morning to you, sir. Day is date and time set for a pre-trial. Mr. Berry's gonna try to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Put you in a breakout room with him. You let us know what you want to do when you come out, okay?
Thank you.
We'll join the room, we'll pass the matter. Harris, are we ready on this ring?
Yes, if the court could assist in bringing her out of the breakout room, it would be appreciated.
All right, let's go back on the record with Ms. Denise Green. Ms. Green, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client is requesting an opportunity to approach the Secretary of State to attempt to get a license. We would ask that if she could pay any reinstatement fees up front, that would be allowed. And I believe she's set for free trial today, so we would ask for a trial date if the court is not inclined to grant another pretrial.
All right, Ms. Green, I'm going to allow you to pay this reinstatement fee up front with the expectation that you pay the ticket off in full at some point in the future, okay?
Okay. Yes, sir.
All right, I'm going to set the matter for a trial now on November the 24th. November the 24th, 2025 at 9 a.m. You have to come down to the 36th District Court and pay that $45 for that no insurance proof. And then after that, approach the Secretary of State, see if the Secretary of State will give you a valid driver's license. If you don't have any further questions, you have a very good day. Best of luck to you. And come back on November the 24th at 9 a.m., okay?
Okay.
Pardon me?
So you have a pleasant day also, sir.
Thank you so much. I wish you the best of luck, and I'll see you soon.
Thank you.
Thank you. All right, Ms. Harris, who's got Stephen Lee? Who was the attorney for Stephen Lee? Anybody, was anybody here for him? All right, City of Detroit, Ms. Harris versus Stephen Lee. Case number SP 177. Eight nine zero nine one, SP 1729, strike that, SP 1725065, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Erica Harris, on behalf of the defendant, please state your name.
Yes, Stephen Lee.
Good morning to you, Mr. Lee.
Good morning.
Corporal Rule, good morning to you. State your name, badge number, and department for the record, please. Corporal Rule was here. He's in the breakout room. And Officer Nelson has been checked in and out. He's in another courtroom. Get Mr. Lee an updated offer, Ms. Harris. Mr. Lee, Ms. Harris is going to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, you don't like the offer today. It is the date and time set for trial. Join the room. Let's pass the matter. All right, Mr. Berry, let's go back on the record with Mr. Odom. Mr. Odom, I'm giving you an opportunity to speak to counsel.
Your Honor, we seek a bench trial date.
All right, Mr. Odom. Come back on November 24th, sir, at 9 a.m. If there's nothing further, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Octavius Andrews.
Yes,
Good morning to you. Did I get the pronunciation of your first name correct?
it's Jatavia.
Jatavia?
Yes.
This is the City of Detroit, Mr. Berry versus Jatavia Landrews, case number SP 1787840, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 1787841, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Landrews.
Jatavia Elaine Maria Landrews.
Today is the date and time set for a pre-trial. Ms. Landrews, I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have a counsel right to a trial. Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out. Okay.
Okay.
Pass the matter.
No.
Yeah, good morning.
Hi, how are you?
Doing well. What about, you're here on Ollie?
Yes.
All right, let's get it going.
Okay, thanks, Judge. Appreciate that.
You're welcome.
Morning, Fred. How you feeling?
There should be something in there.
Good to see you. You too.
City of Detroit versus Aaron DeMarco Ali, case number 05-15263. Appearance, state your name for the record, Mr. Ali. You have to unmute yourself.
Aaron Ollie.
Good morning to you, sir.
Good morning.
The speaker is there now.
Okay, thanks, Judge.
Yeah, can you state your name and your position, please, for the record?
Yes, Judge. Judge, my name is Ken Sciatti, and I am a probation officer. I am not the officer. From that time frame that this defendant pled guilty was in 2002. He did have a prior drunk driving at that time. I had a chance to research this case and find if the defendant has done any of the conditions. The probation department doesn't have the file anymore, it is destroyed, and the computer records and the up notes from the computer from the officers, it wasn't recorded at that time. That didn't come into existence until about 10, 12 years ago. So, but the only thing the probation department can verify is the money. Now that's important. There is a balance of $524 on this case.
I ain't got no money for that. No.
He hasn't made any payments, but the probation department wants to represent the best job we can in order to enforce the case. And therefore, Your Honor, that's where we remain today. So the probation department can hold him liable to pay the money. And that's what the probation department requests us to do. To give him more time for compliance.
You're sitting there shaking your head no.
I don't understand. I don't even remember this. I don't even know.
So what?
I don't remember. Huh?
So what?
Oh, I don't mean nothing about I don't mean to be disrespectful. I just don't remember none of it.
Okay. Does the fact turn the radio off, Miss Lindsay? The fact that you don't remember it does not mean you don't owe the money. You haven't done anything.
I didn't say I didn't owe it. I'm just shaking. I just don't understand.
Okay, so what do you need to understand?
Nothing, Your Honor. Nothing.
You don't remember getting this drunk driving 23 years ago?
I kind of remember it, but I couldn't do anything about it. I was extradited to Kentucky.
You went to Kentucky and did what?
I had left the state of Kentucky back in 90-something, and I came here. So, and they expedited, when this was going on, they expedited me to Kentucky over that ticket. I got in trouble, and then they sent me back here and let me finish my parole here. So I finished it up here. That was like 2000, around that same time. So I couldn't do nothing about it. I was incarcerated. They had expedited me to Kentucky. Doing all this was going on, all that's happened at the same time, and I got sent to Kentucky. But the judge in Kentucky let me come back here and finish my parole here back then.
Well, how much time did you do in Kentucky?
I never really did it. I did some county time. They gave me 3 years, but I did some county time, but I never did no prison time like that. They always let me out.
What are you doing with yourself now?
Well, I'm on getting disability. I'm in the process of getting disability right now. I live in a place right now that I'm under HUD right now, Section 8, things like that. I ain't doing too much. 20-something years. What?
All right, I'm gonna close the matter out.
Without improvement, Judge.
All right, close out without improvement. Have a good day, Mr. Ali. Best of luck to you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right.
Yeah, thank you, Your Honor.
All right, Ms. Mason, can you go to room 4, please? Thank you, Mr. Young, for that.
So he's not on the docket, Judge, right?
Ali?
Yes.
Yeah,
He was on 1024.
Oh, 1024.
I'll do it.
Very, very good. Who's that? Doesn't?
We're ready on Lee.
Let's go back on the record with Stephen Lee. Mr. Lee, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client is going to enter a plea to the amended count of allowing with the remaining matters dismissed.
You want to take the deal, Mr. Lee?
Yes.
Can you raise your right hand, please? You swear or affirm, tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Or you can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
Ms. Harris went over your other advice or rights and breakout rule, did you not? Did she not?
Yes.
You understood those rights?
Yes.
Questions about those rights?
Yes.
What kind of questions do you have?
I don't have any questions.
All right, you don't have any questions. You know, by taking the deal, you're gonna give those rights up?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
We draw your attention back to August the 20th, 2025, at around 1:55 p.m. City of Detroit, in the area of Schoolcraft and Hubble. Did you have an occasion on that day to come in contact with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes.
Were you operating a motor vehicle?
Yes.
Officer asked you to produce valid driver's license.
Yes.
You couldn't do so, could you?
No.
And why is that?
I didn't have a license. No.
I'll find your client guilty of the amended count of allowing, stipulate the proper cause, will dismiss the other matters.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
All right, $240. When can you pay it, Mr. Lee?
By the second week of November.
You have it by November the 14th?
Yes.
I come back November the 14th at 8:25, handed any DivDat kiosk to the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone, or you can come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. If it's nothing further, sir, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day.
You as well. Thank you.
Thank you. Mr. Boffel, good morning to you. Can you state your name for the record, please?
Good morning. My name is Frank Poppel.
Can you raise your right hand, please? Do you solemnly swear or affirm that you will truly, accurately, and impartially interpret in the matter now before the court not divulge confidential communication with so help you God?
I do.
And do you swear or affirm that to the best of your ability, you'll interpret from English to Spanish and Spanish to English?
I do.
All right, very well. This is the City of Detroit versus Adrian Flores, case number SP 176-82951. Appearance for the record, please.
El caso del agente de Detroit contra Adrian Carrión Flores, número de caso SP 176-82951. Compareciente para el acta, por favor.
Sí.
Yes.
Erica Harris, on behalf of Mr. Flores, please state your name for the record.
Cheque Harris, representándole al señor Flores, por favor diga su nombre para el acta.
Adrián Carrión Flores.
Good morning to you, sir. Today is the date and time set for an arraignment.
Buenos días, señor. Hoy es la cita para una lectura de los cargos formales.
Sí.
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
Para la lectura de los cargos formales, mi cliente mantiene su silencio.
We'll enter a not guilty plea on his behalf, give him a $0 bond.
Vamos a ponerle no culpable por ahora, le damos una fianza de $0.
Ms. Harris, get Mr. Flores an updated offer. Keep in mind, Mr. Flores, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Put you in a breakout room, let us know what you want to do when you come out.
Señora Harris, le va a dar una oferta actualizada, lo vamos a charlar en el cuarto privado y usted tiene derecho absoluto de ir a un juicio si no le gusta la oferta, pero ahora va a ir al cuarto privado.
Join the room, let's pass the matter.
Únase al cuarto privado.
Mr. Patel, good morning to you. We had Teresa Green, but she's no longer in the room anymore.
Okay.
If she returns, I'll call you. I'll give you a call back. Good morning to you.
Do you have any contact information for her? I can reach out to her directly.
No, I don't believe so.
Okay.
Okay.
All right. Thank you.
All right, let's go back on the record with Ms. Landrews. Ms. Landrews, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client requires a trial and the appointment of counsel. Her number is in the chat.
Okay, Ms. Landrews, I'm gonna ask you to answer the calls you don't recognize. One of the calls should be that appointed attorney. If you don't hear from that appointed attorney by your next court date, which is November the 20th, 2025, we'll get one appointed to you on the spot, okay?
Okay.
Is this 930-5116 the best number to reach you?
Yes.
All right, November the 20th is just gonna be another pre-trial date, and after that, your attorney, and you can just plan on if you need the trial or not, okay?
Okay.
All right, best of luck to you, ma'am.
You said November 20th at what time?
8:30.
Okay.
Best of luck to you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I can leave?
You may. Have a great day.
You too.
Anthony Logan.
Yes.
City of Detroit, good morning to you. City of Detroit versus Anthony James Logan. Case number is SP 167-93433. SP 170-2887, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 177-63601. SP 178-16471. SP 179-75621. SP 18110-321. Appearance for the record, please, Mr. Berry.
Holwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Logan.
Anthony Logan.
For purposes of arraignment, Your Honor, my client would stand mute.
I will enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Give your client a $0 bond. This is just the one alcohol-related offense on here. Mr. Logan has a, you ready? You got your pen ready, Mr.
Ready,
Berry?
Your Honor. Ready, Your Honor.
Yes, he has 2 other alcohol-related offenses. He has a false info ID case. He has a no insurance misdemeanor. He has 2 driving license suspendeds. He also owes some money on some old cases that he pled to. I see he made a payment of $101 toward one of them. But Mr. Logan, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an right to a trial. Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out. Let's pass the matter. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Flores. Mr. Flores, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. This is a dismissal for providing valid documentation, correct?
Señor Flores, usted tenía oportunidad de hablar con su abogado. Vamos a desestimar el cargo porque tiene documentos válidos, ¿correcto?
Yes, Your Honor.
Sí, su señoría.
Case dismissed, Mr. Flores. Have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
Su caso es desestimado, señor Flores. Que tenga un buen día.
Mañana, disculpe una pregunta. ¿Para mañana tengo otra corte a las 8:45 o ya no la tomo?
Excuse me, I have another court date tomorrow at 8:45, or do I not need to show up for that?
I don't see you have another court date, sir.
Yo no veo que tenga otra cita.
Mire, le voy a voltear la pantalla y para que usted vea.
I'm going to show you here on the screen.
Does he have a case number?
¿Tiene un número de caso o ticket?
No, nomás fui a ver de mi corte porque no me llegaba el papel de la corte. Fui a ver y me pusieron 2 cortes seguidas, la de hoy y la de mañana.
I just got 2 court dates, one for today and one for tomorrow.
Pero nomás me llegó el puro papel de la corte que tengo ahorita. No me llegó la de mañana.
But I just received the paper for the court for today, not for tomorrow.
It looks like he has a court document. And it had the date highlighted. If he could just move it over, we could see the case number.
Sí, parece que tiene un documento del tribunal. Si lo puede mover un poquito para el costado, podemos ver el número de caso.
Ese es el único papel que me llegó.
That's the only paper I have.
What about the other one where the date was highlighted?
¿Qué tal el otro papel donde estaba marcado la fecha?
That first one is dismissed. The other one moved over a little bit.
Un poquito más para el costado.
Oh, the case is dismissed. So those disregard that. You don't have a court date tomorrow.
No tiene cita mañana, ya está desestimado el cargo también.
Ok.
Have a great day, sir.
Gracias.
Que tenga un buen día.
Ok. Muchísimas gracias.
Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you.
This is the city of Detroit. Another one, Mr. Bobble. This is the city of Detroit versus Yaridia Gayen Gutierrez. Case numbers SP 178-46971, SP 178-46991. Appearance for the record, please.
El caso del agente de Detroit contra Yuridia Guillén Gutiérrez, número de caso SP 17846971 y SP 17846991. Comparecencia para el acta, por favor.
Sí.
Sherika Harris, on behalf of Ms. Guillén Gutierrez, please state your name for the record.
Sherika Harris, representando a la señora Guillén Gutiérrez. Diga su nombre para el acta, por favor.
Yuridia Guillén Gutiérrez.
Time set for pre-trial. Ms. Harris is going to try to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to the trial.
Hoy es la cita para una conferencia antes de un juicio. La señora Harris le va a dar una oferta actualizada. Tenga en cuenta que si no le gusta la oferta, siempre tiene el derecho absoluto de avanzarlo a un juicio.
I'll put you in a breakout room, Ms. Harris. Let us know what you want to do when you come home.
Lo voy a poner en un cuarto privado con la señora Harris. Avísenos después cómo quiere proceder.
Sí.
Yes.
Okay, let's pass the matter. Officers on Brian Oliver. Brian Oliver has not appeared, so the officers are free to leave for Brian Oliver. Safe out there. Good morning. Good morning.
Excuse me, good morning. Good morning. Thank you. A spot appointment for golf?
Yes,
Golf.
Terry Golf. Ogletree.
All right, if you can zoom in, golf is here, wait here
All right.
on Zoom.
Okay. Zoom in?
Yeah.
Okay.
Good morning, Chief. Good morning.
All right, I'll zoom in. Because Ruth just called me. She did. Okay. Yeah. Okay. I missed you Friday.
I know, I missed you out. I was in Atlanta.
No, you just called.
Officers for golf. You hear from instructed officers for Brian Oliver. They suggest and Zach, you're free to leave, be safe. Mr. Oliver did appear. Mr. Johnson, Miss Bell is here.
Morning, Judge. Yes, I see she signed on.
May I have a breakout room with her?
You may take her into breakout room 5.
Thank you.
Good morning, Your Honor. I'm the officer with Brian Oliver. Could you repeat what you stated last?
I said he didn't appear, so you're free to leave. Be safe.
Okay, thank you. You too.
I'll put you in 6, Mr. Goff, Mr. Ogletree. That's going to be your attorney moving forward. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Logan. Mr. Logan, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client seeks a trial and the appointment of counsel. His number is in the chat.
Mr. Logan, is this your number? 313-879-8420? I didn't hear you.
Yes.
All right, I'm going to set a pre-trial date, Mr. Logan, for November 20th, 2025. That date is just set to make sure you get that appointed attorney. I need you to answer the calls. You don't recognize one of the calls should be that appointed attorney. Excuse me, if you don't hear from that appointed attorney by your next court date, then we'll point one on the spot, okay?
All right, thank you.
Best of luck to you, sir. Have a very good rest of your day.
You too.
Marquise Lewis.
Yes.
I'm here, sir. I don't see that you have anybody in here, Officer Cohen. All right, Marquise Lewis, this is City of Detroit. Good morning to you. City of Detroit versus Marquise Lewis, case number SP 1199070, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1224142, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1375552. SP 1598011. Excuse me, SP 164444171. SP 1751808, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1781771. Appearance for the record, please.
Howard S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Lewis.
Marquise Lewis.
Your Honor, for purposes of arraignment, my client would stand mute.
I'll enter a not guilty plea on your behalf, Mr. Lewis. I'll give you a $0 bond. I only see 3 cases on the, and I'll recall the warrants. Only 3 cases on the docket. I counted 10 cases into the record. Mr. Berry, you have your ink pen ready?
Ready, Your Honor.
A no-ops. A driving license suspended. License improper. No insurance misdemeanor. Improper plate misdemeanor. Unregistered untitled misdemeanor. And no insurance misdemeanor. He owes $288 on an old no insurance proof. That would, if he paid that, it would potentially set himself up to get a valid license. I say potentially because I don't know what his license looks like in other jurisdictions. I just know that he that would give him clearances here. Mr. Lewis, I'm gonna put you in the breakout room. Mr. Berry's gonna get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to withdraw. Join the room.
Judge, I've got the, on the off docket stuff, give him 2 improper plates and the rest dismissed.
2 improper plates, the rest dismissed, Mr. Berry. Go to join the room, Mr. Lewis, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to withdraw. Just pass the matter. City of Detroit versus Megan LaBelle, case number SP 174-67451, SP 174-6836, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
May it please the court, Vassal Johnson II, P72130 on behalf of Ms. LaBelle. She's on Zoom.
Ms. LaBelle, good morning to you. State your name for the record, please.
Megan LaBelle.
Turn your camera on, please.
I'm using a work computer. It doesn't have a camera.
I don't know about that.
Okay, there you go. Thank you for sliding it over.
Ms. LaBelle, next time, don't be late. What's your client want to do, Mr. Berry?
Johnson, just set it for a trial, Your Honor, bench trial.
Trial will be November the 24th, 2025 at 9 a.m. If there's nothing further, Ms. LaBelle, have a very good day and best of luck to you, okay?
Judge, did you say that November 24th?
November 24th.
Okay. Yes, sir. Have a good day.
All right, have a great day. Best of luck to you.
You too.
Mr. Berry, this is Berry's got someone. Let's go back on the record with Ms. Gutierrez. Mr. Gutierrez, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Vamos a volver al acta con la señora Gutiérrez. Usted tuvo oportunidad de hablar con la abogada. ¿Qué quiere hacer su cliente?
Your Honor, my client is going to enter a plea to the amended charge of allowing.
Su señoría, mi cliente está declarándose culpable a dejar una persona sin licencia que maneje.
You want to take the deal, Gutierrez?
¿Usted quiere aceptar esta oferta, señora Gutiérrez?
Sí.
Yes.
Raise your right hand, please, ma'am.
Levante su mano derecha, señora, por favor.
You swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
¿Juro o afirma de decir la verdad, toda la verdad y nada más que la verdad?
Sí.
Yes.
You can put your hand down.
¿Puede bajar la mano?
You understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
¿Usted entiende que el castigo máximo para esta ofensa es de hasta 93 días en la cárcel y una multa hasta $500?
Sí.
Yes.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
¿Usted entiende que tiene el derecho absoluto de avanzar este asunto a un juicio?
Sí.
Yes.
Ms. Harris went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did she not?
La señora Harris le apoyó de sus derechos en el cuarto privado, ¿cierto?
Sí.
Yes.
You understood those rights?
¿Entendió estos derechos?
Sí.
Yes.
Any questions about those rights?
¿Tiene alguna pregunta sobre sus derechos?
No.
No.
You know, by taking the deal, you're going to give those rights up?
¿Entiende al declararse culpable usted está renunciando a estos derechos?
Sí.
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
¿Alguien le ha ofrecido algo más allá de lo que se habló aquí en el acta?
No.
No.
Let me draw your attention back to, September the 3rd, 2025, around 10:54 a.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Grand Boulevard and 3rd. Did you have an occasion on that day to come in contact with the Detroit Police Department?
Vamos a volver al 3 de septiembre alrededor de las 10:54 de la mañana. Usted estuvo manejando en la ciudad de Detroit, cerca del Grand Boulevard y Tercera, y tuvo contacto con un policía aquel día.
Sí.
Yes.
Were you operating a motor vehicle?
¿Estaba manejando un carro?
Sí.
Yes.
Officer asked you to produce a valid driver's license.
¿El oficial de policía le pidió una licencia válida para manejar?
Sí.
Yes.
You couldn't do so, could you?
Y usted no lo podía dar, ¿cierto?
Sí.
Yeah.
You could not produce that license. Is that correct?
No le pudo dar la licencia, ¿correcto?
No.
No.
All right. I find your client guilty of the admitted count of allowing $240 to be the charge, to be the fine, dismiss upon payment, stipulate the probable cause. I'll dismiss the other matter now.
Encontró su cliente culpable del cargo enmendado de dejar a una persona sin licencia que maneje. La multa es $240. El otro cargo se va a desestimar. Estamos estipulando para causa probable para el otro cargo.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Así estipular, su señoría.
All right, $240, ma'am. When can you pay it?
Okay, 240, señora. ¿Cuándo lo puede pagar?
Hoy mismo.
Today.
All right, come back, pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone, or come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it.
Puede pagar en un kiosco DivDat o puede venir en persona al tribunal y pagar en las ventanillas. Esas son las mejores maneras para pagarlo.
Sí, está bien.
Yeah, that's okay.
All right, come back tomorrow morning now, and if it's paid, we'll dismiss the case at 8:25.
Vuelvo mañana a las 8:25 y si lo ha pagado, vamos a desestimar su caso.
Sí, está bien.
Okay, that's good.
All right, have a great day. Best of luck to you.
Que tenga un buen día. Mucha suerte.
Sí, muchas gracias.
Thank you very much.
This is the city of Detroit. Thank you, Mr. Papu. Something
You're welcome.
further. You have a great day.
Thanks, you too. Bye-bye.
Free to leave, Ms. Gutierrez. City of Detroit versus Brazil Lindsay, case number SP 174043881. Appearance for the record, please.
I'm here, Your Honor.
Chair Actor Harris, on behalf of the defendant, please state your name.
Brazil Lindsay.
Date and time set for a pre-trial, arraignment on the benchmark. Go ahead, Ms. Harris.
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
We will enter a not guilty plea on the client's behalf. She can find a $0 bond. He does owe a $252 no plate ticket that went into default. That was issued in June. Ms. Harris, give Mr. Lindsay an updated offer. Keep in mind, Mr. Lindsay, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Put you in a breakout room with Ms. Harris.
Judge, what's the charges so I can get them right quick?
No plates, civil infraction.
That's it?
That was it. So no
I'll
plates.
dismiss it. I'll dismiss that.
Well, the main charge is the question.
Okay.
Speak to Ms. Harris. She's in the breakout room, Ms. Harris. Let's pass them out.
Your Honor, could I have the statute from the ticket?
Statute from the ticket is 324.81122. 324.81122.
Thank you.
Pass the matter. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Marquise. Ms. Mason, Mr. Ogletree wants to speak with you. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Marquise Lewis. Mr. Lewis, I'm giving you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client would avail himself of the people's offer to enter a plea to 2 counts of improper plates. There's an improper plate charge off docket as well. And then there's a no insurance misdemeanor that would become improper plates on the docket.
And then
The
all the
remaining
other
matters
stuff.
to be dismissed, Your Honor.
You want to take the deal, sir?
Yes.
Well, let's just do the allowing and improper plate.
Yes, sir.
I don't see you on the list as far as you have cases. Mr. Lewis, you want to raise your right hand, please? Do you swear or affirm tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes.
And you put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes.
Do you understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
Mr. Berry went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Yes.
You understood those rights?
Yes.
Any questions about those rights?
No.
You know by taking this deal, you're gonna give those rights up?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
Let me draw your attention back to September the 5th, 2025, around 9 p.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Capitol and Greenfield. Did you have an occasion on that day to come in contact with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes.
Were you operating a motor vehicle?
Yes.
Was that your 2013 Chevrolet?
Yes.
Officer asked you to produce valid driver's license and insurance.
Can you repeat the question?
Did the officer ask you to produce valid driver's license and insurance?
Yes.
You couldn't do either, could you?
No.
Why is that?
At the time my license was my plates were expired due to the months.
And then what about the insurance? You didn't have any insurance, is that correct?
No, at the time I didn't.
And then the license, you didn't have a license, is that correct?
No.
All right, find your client guilty of the amended count of improper plates for not having the valid insurance and allowing, that's the same effect as an improper plate. And just for court's convenience, allowing,
Yeah, check
Well,
me out already on Zoom.
not having a
I'm here
valid
for
license,
30
stipulate the probable cause.
So
We'll dismiss
he
the
told
other
me to check him
matter.
again because I told him I had to get
So stipulated, Your Honor.
cold.
All right, 240 and
It was for
240.
9:01. My court time is at 9 o'clock.
When can you pay?
Judge, I currently have a garnishment on my work check, so I can start paying because I go back to work tomorrow. But I mean, I won't be able to pay it in full, but I can pay something on it as of next week.
All right, here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna give you I'm gonna have you back on December the 1st at 8:25, December the 1st. I'm gonna mark the file allow payment plan. I'm gonna have you, I'll waive the warrant fees. You'll pay any reinstatement fees, I don't see any.
Because I have 3.
You pay this $288 first, that would be the first thing you should pay, that'll get you clearances here. But the rest, I'm gonna let you get into a payment plan, come back on December the 1st, 2025 at 8:25. You pay any div that kiosk in the city of Detroit, I'm told you can upload the div that app to your phone. Or you can come on down to the courthouse and pay it, first, you know, the best way, I can pay the pay, sir. Or come on before or on December the 1st, get into that payment plan, okay?
Happy that. Thank you, Judge.
Something further, best of luck to you, and have a very good rest of your day.
You as well.
Thank you. City of Detroit, Mr. Berry, this is a off docket matter. Mr. Little was supposed to be here yesterday. City of Detroit versus Douglas Dwight Little, case number SP 178-5653, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. On behalf of the defendant, state your full name, Mr. Little.
Yes, Douglas Little.
All right, we'll call the day. Good morning to you, sir. We'll call the day, the date and time set for a pre-trial. Mr. Berry, get Mr. Little, I'll put you in a breakout room with Mr. Little, give him an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room, take your hat off, and let us know what you want to do when you come out. Take your hat off. All right, Mr. Berry.
He was on the docket yesterday, Your Honor.
I'll just give you, it's just a no insurance misdemeanor and an expired plate.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Just give him the expired plate, Mr. Berry. Dismiss the no insurance misdemeanor.
Thank you.
Okay. Pass the matter. Let's go back on the record with Terry Tennell Goff. Mr. Ogletree, can you put your appearance on the record, please?
Aaron Overture about for Mr. Goff. P number 6917.
All right, very well. What does Mr. Goff want to do?
There's been an offer presented to him. He informed me he wishes to accept the offer.
All right, what do you want? What is
the offer is no average licensed person will be dismissed. The marijuana charge will be dismissed. The open alcohol passenger will be a 12-month delayed sentence. He would also plead to blockading, and then the expired place will be dismissed.
You want to take the deal, sir?
Yes.
Can you raise your right hand, please? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You put your hand down. You understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes, sir.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Ogletree went over your other advice or rights in breakout room 89.
Yes.
You understood those rights?
Yes.
Have any questions about those rights?
No.
You know, by taking the deal, you're gonna give those rights up?
Yes, sir.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
All right, Mr. Ogletree, you said just pleading the two of open alcohol and motor vehicle passenger expired plates and dismissing the other three.
It was plea to open alcohol passenger under 12-month delayed sentence, and he would also plead to blockading. Then the other three would be dismissed. Again, the open alcohol passenger would be a 12-month delayed sentence.
All right. All right, let me draw your attention, sir, back to July the 24th, 2025, around 10:50 p.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Connor and Warren. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes, sir.
Operating a motor vehicle? Or were you in a motor vehicle? I'm sorry.
Yes, I was in the car. Yes, sir.
And did you have some alcohol in the car?
Yes, there was alcohol in the car, sir.
And was that alcohol open, sir?
Yes, it was. Yes, it was, sir.
But now you're saying yes, you know, do you know that it was alcohol in the car? You said you know it was alcohol in the car. You don't know whether the alcohol was open or not?
Yes, it was open, sir.
What kind of alcohol was it?
It was Remy.
And it was some in the container?
Yes.
All right. Find your client guilty of the as charged, the open alcohol motor vehicle passenger. $240 will be the fine. Stipulate to the face of the ticket for the blocking traffic for the accurate factual basis for that responsible plea.
Yeah.
All right, find your client responsible as charged in blocking traffic and to stipulate the probable cause dismissing the other matters.
Stipulate the proper cause.
Okay, so 240 and 175, sir. I'm gonna give you a 12-month delayed sentence. That means if you don't get any other trouble, as far as the alcohol is concerned, we'll dismiss the case. Your next court date is gonna be October 29th, 2026 at 8:25. You pay this ticket at any DivDac kiosk in the city of Detroit. These two tickets at any DivDac kiosk in the city of Detroit. Told you can upload to DivDac after your phone, or you can come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it, sir. If there's nothing further, I wish you the best of luck, and you have a very good rest of your day. Come back on October 29th, 2026 at 8:25. If the conditions are met, we'll dismiss the misdemeanor, okay? And close out, so best of luck to you, Mr. Goff, and have a very good rest of your day. Thank you. All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Little. Mr. Little, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client has shown valid insurance as well as registration, and we seek dismissal of these matters.
All right, I'm going to dismiss the cases for providing valid documentation. There's nothing further, sir. Have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
All right, thank you.
City of Detroit versus Javon Montreal Odell, case number SB 1403646, counts 1 and counts 2, SB 1773339, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Elvis Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Odell.
Javon
Montreal Odell.
Start your camera, sir. Good morning to you. Why were you so late?
Hello.
Why are you so late? Yes. Why are you so late?
I had got off work at 8 o'clock, and I forgot today was the court date.
Mr. Berry, give Mr. Odell an updated offer. Keep in mind, Mr. Odell, you have an absolute right to a trial if you don't like the offer. Join the breakout room, have a conversation with Mr. Berry. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, okay? Join the room, please. Ms. Mason, Ms. Harris needs to see you in 4. Corporal Spidell, good morning to you. We'll pass Mr. Odell's matter. Join the room. He's in there, Mr. Berry. Corporal Spidell, Mr. Oliver never showed. You're free to leave, be safe. And Officer Zach, I said a long time ago, you're free to leave, be safe.
Raise your hand and I'll give you over.
Oliver never showed.
Your son start teens.
I'm sure there's a lot of new teams that are coming on board too. A lot of this is just a surprise. All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Lindsay. Mr. Lindsay, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, so the recommendation would be to dismiss this misdemeanor ORV matter and to leave the defaulted civil infraction so that Mr. Lindsay can make payment on that one.
Okay, you want to take the deal?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, I'm not going to do anything with the other one. We won't even take it out of default. We'll just pay it. Case dismissed. Mr. Lindsay, have a very good rest of your day and best of luck to you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. She was supposed to get to this hotel. No. But she did take the deal. We did.
He was on. That was 508.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Odell. Mr. Odell, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, we seek a bench trial date.
Okay, you want a trial date, Mr. Odell?
Yes, sir.
Come back on November 24th at 9 a.m. If there's nothing further, sir, I wish you the best of luck and have a very good rest of your day.